What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Nate the Navigator. It's about 7:40 here in South Florida. We're not traveling today, but we are going to Rolling Loud, motherfucker. I got a couple of friends to pick up at the airport, and then the journey begins. So stay tuned, and let's see what Rolling Loud is all about. One thing we can't do is go to Rolling Loud on an empty stomach. You gotta start the day off right, nutritious. So what does that mean? Chick-fil-A.
That shit you talking from and run up on me, you get killed, bitch. Banging fucking trail, she a sign, bitch. But she got some shit that's up a sneak and blow your mind.
Why did you get across the road? After all,
Dude, I think that's what it was.
party without
I think
cupcakes.
It was White Iverson.
It's just a
No,
gathering.
it was like down to my
How cute.
No way.
Don't touch a raccoon.
I didn't touch a raccoon. You
No
touched me.
way. No way.
I don't have anything. Hi. Okay, this is not food. I lost something once. Guest on who is guest star appearance today?
My boy PNB Rock.
PNB Rock. We got one vote for PNB Rock, even though he has died. Word.
This is Antonio
Who
Brown.
is your vote for guest appearance today?
Cardi. It's gotta be
Playboy Cardi. We got one vote for Playboy
It's gotta
Cardi.
be Cardi.
Cardi or Drake?
Cardi or Drake? He doesn't give one answer.
Cardi.
Cardi.
Who am I gonna go with? I'm gonna go with
Go with Lucky.
Tyga. I'm gonna go with Tyga.
Can I get a fucking bars me outside?
To them never like you know it's what you back in with the blue man. You sit
What's up, big sexy?
What's up, nigga?
Sexy love.
Yeah.
y'all in the car. In the hood, you gon' shook. What it is, and that is. I do all the smack, he never step of help with none of these killers. He do a lot of cat watch when I catch him awake in front of witness. Damn, I knew you tripping. I jumped up out the red, know that ball the red. I can get the girl I want, I ain't got a red. Hey, look, she wanna say the thing, but I ain't got a cake. She wanna see me every day, she wanna be my dad. That money stolen, ride stolen, acting sporty, can't control it. I'm doing fraud, got that bag, yeah, I'm transporting. I got that bag on me, nigga, like I'm transporting. He dropped the mixtape, thought I wouldn't repost it. I ain't posting mixtape, cause I don't fuck with shorty. My time with you, maybe I'm not your speed, bitch. I'm not your lead, bitch. You ain't got no cheese, bitch. Maybe I'm just too G for you, maybe I'm just... You rollin' P, why? I can't go to sleep, why? I'm rolling on the beat, yeah. They try you after me, yeah. We're going through tragedy, bitch. I needed you Vaseline, yeah. I'ma just flip my floor, yeah. Maybe I'm sick, no door. Maybe I'm sick, no checkup. Boy, you need to run you a checkup. I ain't had no school bus, lie on my lap, up and blow like a tool bus. You just like, hey, bitch, I don't get too far. I'm a colorist, how the fuck, bitch, I love my mama. Dumb ass shit when I was young. I ain't used to get down with brown bitches, but now I love her. What you think every time?
Kodak Black, the king of rolling out.
I just bought new old jazz.
It's so fast.
Smoking floggers, you a jazz gas.
All I smoke is gas.
Don't you ask me what a bull is.
Where your clothes at?
I ain't talking about my niggas. Them run your old boy.
Like Monopoly.
Old boy, you's a broke boy.
Fuckers got you beat.